Hey guys, happy Phoenix Friday and welcome to the mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, so there's nothing like leaving things to last minute. It is Thursday after 12 and I have 2 posts to do for this project and then Chris needs to edit. So nothing like leaving things to last minute like you do. So sorry Chris, I really am. Yeah, I've been working on Tuesday's project and if you watch Tuesday's video, you'll understand. Right, so I haven't just left this to last minute for the sake of leaving it to last minute. I haven't. I have actually been working on this. I'm going to be using an inlay, but this isn't an inlay that was bought. I made this, and I made this from, it's a part of a bigger mould. So it's taken me quite a bit to get to this stage. I need to do a little bit more on it, but for now this is what I'm working with because time has run out and I need to pour. So yes, I have another one there, but for some reason this silicone hasn't cured properly, so it's still all sticky, which is mildly annoying. So yeah, I have to use this one, which isn't perfect, but neither am I. So the pores itself is going to be really straightforward. I'm going to be pouring clear. I am going to put this upside down onto the resin. I will be taking it off the plastic. Upside down onto the resin. I will be doing that. And then I'm going to be putting a back on. Now, the back is going to be a little bit different. I'm not using black. I'm actually going to be doing something I saw yesterday from Ben and Nicole, Ben's Works, their vlog channel. So I'll be doing something similar. So I am actually going to paint this with Chameleon. Now I've got this blue, red and gold and blue, violet and red from the Chameleon mica powder red and blue tones from Decorative. I am going to be painting the wings with this green, violet, red, also from the red tones, which have all been gifted to me. And I am using rose gold and green, which came from the gold tones. Now I bought these. Decorative. I do like Decorative. I'm not too keen on the resin. It works, and trust me, I've had really good experience, but when I've used other resins, that's all I'm going to say. But Decorative are brilliant and they're reasonably priced. So I'm quite literally just going to colour this. Yeah, so my brain has stopped working because, why would it do a thing like work? Got so many things running through my brain. I so desperately need a drink. I've only had one coffee today. It's shocking. Yeah, one thing I do not like about these is they come with little brushes. I really need to get them cut off. Because, yeah, the brushes don't work. Right. So I am literally just covering the bottom section with the blue and then... So yeah, that's all I'm doing. So I'll probably get Chris to zoomy this part.
She rolls that resin in the light, silicone shine and a grin so sly. Little craft queen with a rat tail smile makes a mess look cute in style. She says, baby, don't you overthink. It's just a pour and a little paint, but she's got tricks up both her sleeves. Turn a simple thing into a family tree. It's Phoenix Friday, what's the use?
that has been painted. I am going to mix up 100 mils, I think. So I'm mixing up 100 mils, pouring this first layer clear. I do have another mould to the side, just in case I have too much, which I invariably will. So what I'm going to do with these is, whilst I'm mixing up the resin on my mixer, I'm just going to randomly paint these in these colours that I've got out, and that way if I do have excess I can just fill these up, and if I don't have excess then they're ready for next time. Right, so I shall catch you once the resin is mixed up.
Leaves a golden snack where he fell down. Phoenix Friday, Phoenix Friday. Bird burns bright, then he comes back playing. Phoenix Friday, Phoenix Friday. 5 minutes later, the nugget's swaying. She makes it look so easy, hard for you but not for me. Phoenix Friday, that crafty rat's got the recipe. She's got a mold and a table edge, tiny paws on the cleanup pledge. Resin, silicone, little joke. One more step and you're out of luck, folks. She laughs when the timer goes as the whole room glows, and nobody knows how she turns that flame to fun, then starts all over when she's done. It's Phoenix Friday. What's the use when the bird gets stressed? He cuts loose, he flares up fast and cools right down. Leaves a golden snack where he fell down. Phoenix Friday.
Right, so the G3 has quite literally just bleeped at me. Yeah, it's now what, 5-ish?
I don't know, you use
Something
my
like
phone.
that. Yeah, it's 5:15. So move that to the side whilst I work on this. Yeah, so all I'm doing, as I mentioned briefly, I did see this. It was only, I think it was yesterday. Ben and Nicole did this. Now they used their Just Resin pigments. They split it up into varying different colours, and then dumped it into clear. So instead of pigments I'm actually using mica. So I've got black, red, and I'm going to have a little bit of copper, or am I? No, I might have a little bit of bronze, because that will take over. Right, so there's only about 30 mils left in this. I've got to make up 60 because that's what my cups allow, so I do have another mould at the side. Now I am going to kind of be explaining what I'm doing a little bit, which is odd for me. Now where are
It's
my...
up to you knowing what you're actually doing.
Where are my mixing sticks? My little ones. Nope, they're big ones. Oh, that's got silicone on. That one looks alright.
You start flashing.
Sorry. Okay, that stopped flashing. We really need to figure out this lighting because it's shocking.
I'm pretty sure that
Excuse me.
started flashing because you've got white cups there.
Probably. Right.
Is that a wasp?
No, it's just a fly. Rather annoying. Right. So, I've not mixed my resin up. I'm going to do that shortly, but I'm just going to show you what I do. If I remember with the mica. Now, I do want it quite dense even if I'm using a small amount. So, I dissolve it with a little bit of alcohol. 99.9%. Unfortunately, you can't drink this.
Yeah, you can, but it won't be any good.
So I'm going to dissolve these. As I say, I am mixing up 60 mils worth of resin. I'll be putting some in the black, in the red, a little bit in the copper, and then what I'm going to do is with the clear, I'm going to still have some clear in this cup, then dump these back into it and then pour. So we shall see what happens. Oh, hang on, before I do, I need to take the inlay out. That might be a good start. So I do want it to be quite dark, but I don't want it to be black.
You wanted it quite dark.
Funny. There we go. Put to the side. Actually looks quite nice. Right, so I am going to pause the camera now, mix up my resin, dissolve the mica, and I will be back to pour.
Phoenix Friday, bird burns bright, then he comes back playing. Phoenix Friday, 5 minutes later, the nugget's swaying. She makes it look so easy, hard for you but not for me. Phoenix Friday, that crafty rat's got the recipe. Simple steps, she twists them tight. One small spark and it's party night. You call it chaos, she calls it art. A little bit of flame, a little red heart. Phoenix Friday, Phoenix Friday, bird burns bright, then he comes back playing. Phoenix Friday, Phoenix Friday, Phoenix Friday. 5 minutes later, the nugget's swaying. She makes it look so easy, hard for you but not for me. Phoenix Friday, that crafty rat's got the recipe.
Hey guys, right, this is cured. I apologise if you hear anything in the background. It's 10 PM and we have some wonderful neighbours who are playing music really loud, so you know. Never mind. Right, so this was the leftover from the back. I'm just going to take this out first. Oh wow, that is so cute. Oh, look at the colours in that. I didn't know what to expect with this, but I really love it. I love that cat. Right, so these were the leftovers from the first. I did. There's some bubbles in them, but I did try to get rid of them, but they're still nice. That one I used 2 colours. Ooh, that one's pretty. Quite like them. Not too shabby. It's not the worst Temu mould I've had. I do love chameleon on clear though. That's cool. Right, so let's see how this Phoenix went. As I say, it is still warm. I do like the back. The back looks cool. Right, let's take a look at this. Ooh. Shame about that bubble. I quite like that. It's got potential. Probably could have done with a bit more black, but I'm just nitpicking now. Yeah, I don't know if you saw when I was putting the I think I need to top coat it, but I'll do that tomorrow. When I was putting the doobie-doo inlay in, I forgot to coat it in resin, so I'm like, try and get it back out, but I actually really like that. So I think this is it for today's video. Now to give to Chris to edit. He's going to have a fun night. He'll probably end up doing it in the morning. If you guys are still here, thank you so much for watching. As mentioned previously, this video is part of the Phoenix Friday collaboration. All artists are welcome. It doesn't just have to be resin. I say it was started as part of the Goblin's Cave. Sorry, I love that. Right, so a playlist is going to be in the description. The link to the playlist is going to be in the description. Can you tell I'm tired? So please, if you're not already following that, go check it out. Everyone's videos are... I've never come across one that I don't like, and they're always very different. So go check that out. And I just want to say thank you so much to my subscribers. You mean a lot to me, the fact that you go out your time to watch my videos. And a big huge thank you to my very own little Mischief members. Again, you really don't have to, but I really appreciate it. All the money that comes through membership is coming straight back into the channel. And yeah, so I think that's going to be it for today's video. Please keep your eye out for Tuesdays. Apologies for the dog going nuts. So my video on Tuesday is going to be a very special one. It is based on glass fusing, so please join me for that. And yes, I'll catch you there. Bye guys.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stained with the art she weaves, a touch of magic in the things she leaves.